Do you also have the Pi Network app installed on your mobile phone? Here's the date and time of our recording. It's been more than 3 months since I last click on Tap to Mine on our Pi Network app. Let's just try to click on this one. Okay, so from what I can see here, they have merch. Okay, so we'll explore this one at a later time. So we have 1033 Pi. But I have already sold my Pi before at around the price of when it was around 60 pesos and above. I remember it went up as high as 150 to 160 Philippine peso. So I was only able to sell at those range due to there was a required window when you can withdraw your Pi on centralized exchanges depending on the date and time you were able to complete the verification, something like that. So as of the date and time of our recording, June 27, Saturday, 6:25 p.m. Manila time. Current price action of Pi is 7 pesos point 81. So honestly, I'm not really optimistic about the price action of Pi Network, but I'm contented with the decision to sell the Pi Network coins I had before. For the balance sa dashboard, they still haven't transferred the 478.19 Pi remaining. It's still showing unverified balance. Okay, I'm not really confident that they'll move this one to the transferable balance in the soon. It may take a while or even forever for this one to be transferred to our migrated to mainnet wallet. Okay, so please, if you're able to install Pi Network on your mobile phone, feel free to comment your thoughts and let's continue the conversation on our comment section. Thank you.